The Vacmaster VK609PFR 0201 vacuum is a versatile cleaning solution with its 3-in-1 functionality, perfect for tackling wet, dry, and upholstery cleaning tasks. With a substantial 6-gallon tank and an additional external 1.05-gallon detergent tank, this vacuum ensures extended cleaning sessions without frequent refills. The remote control handle offers seamless switching between vacuum and detergent modes, enhancing user convenience and efficiency. Its powerful suction capability, featuring an 88-inch high water lift motor, makes it highly effective for deep cleaning carpets and upholstery. The vacuum provides an impressive 40 feet of cleaning reach, thanks to its long hose and power cord, allowing easy access to hard-to-reach areas. Thoughtfully designed with durable rotating casters and a balanced top handle, the Vacmaster VK609PFR 0201 vacuum is easy to maneuver and transport around your home.